In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. We'll be going through this directly inside the Stripe dashboard, and the process is very quick once you know where to look. If you want to offer Google Pay as a payment option to your customers, enabling it in Stripe is a simple settings change. To begin, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're on the main home area of the account you want to update. It's a good idea to confirm that you're in the correct workspace or environment before changing anything, especially if you use separate test and live setups. Once you're on the dashboard home screen, move your attention to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This will open the main configuration area for your Stripe account, where you can manage payment behavior, account preferences, and other important options. After that, look for the Payments section and click into it. This area contains the settings related to how your customers can pay. So this is where Stripe keeps the payment method controls you'll need. Inside Payments, select Payment Methods. This page shows the different payment options available for your account, and it allows you to turn specific methods on or off depending on what you want to accept at checkout. Now, scroll down through the list until you find Google Pay. Depending on your account and screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Take your time here because Stripe displays several payment methods in this section, and you want to make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you see Google Pay, click Enabled. This turns on Google Pay for your Stripe account, allowing eligible customers to use it during checkout. If the setting changes successfully, that means Google Pay is now active. That's all there is to it. The key part of this process is knowing that Google Pay is managed from the Payment Methods section under Payments in your Stripe settings. If you don't immediately see the option, double check that you're in the right account view and continue scrolling until it appears. After enabling it, you may also want to test your checkout experience to verify that Google Pay is showing up as expected for supported devices and browsers. That way, you can confirm everything is working properly before relying on it for customer payments. And that's how to activate the Google Pay in Stripe.